Right here, I have a Sony PlayStation 4 or PS4 that come here for a repair. This PS4 is not showing any video or any image on the monitor. I already disassembled the PS4, and here is the PS4 board. When the PS4 is not showing any video or any image on the monitor, the problem is most likely caused by the bad HDMI port or the bad connection between the HDMI port and the board. Let's check under the microscope. Here is the HDMI port on the PS4. Let's check every pin of this HDMI port and see if it's making a proper connection to the board. Let's zoom it in. There you go. Alright, let's test from here. You can see a lot of pins are not connected properly to the board. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 HDMI pins that is not properly connected to the board, and that's what's causing the problem of no video or no image on the monitor. Turn on the soldering iron and the fume extractor, and let's fix this HDMI port. I added some solder and resoldered all the pins to the board, and now let's test each of the pin to make sure that they're making a proper connection to the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All 19 pins are connected properly to the board. Alright, let's put everything back together and see if that will fix the problem. Connect the HDMI cord and also the power cord. There you go. Press the power button. It's light up. And we got video. And there you go. The PS4 is fixed and ready for the customer to pick up.